Hi, this is Ernie. I'm that guy who had $6 in his checking account to now having millions of dollars. I've shared a lot of charting analysis or technical analysis. And in this video, I'm going to actually give you a quiz to see how well you have been paying attention. And here's the first chart. That's the price of Bitcoin. You have 10 seconds to come up with an answer. What is the name of this pattern? And if your answer is LFG, which stands for let's effing go, you got it right. No, I'm kidding. There's no pattern called FGL or LFG. But if you want to study technical analysis, so you'll be able to spot, for example, Moderna. I got into it when it broke a pattern and it was going upside, and I was able to get about 5x return in about 9 months. So if you want to learn how to do that, this is a book that you need to study. It doesn't have to be this book. It could be any book that talks about technical analysis. But in this particular case, like for example, cup and handle, classic pattern. When you see cup and handle, it skyrockets. Head and shoulder, like for example, that's shoulder and head. What does that actually mean? That means the stock price is going down. If you have an inverse head and shoulder, that means the stock price is going up. Is this 100% accurate? No. There are anomalies, there are exceptions, because it's not just the signal processing of stock price, but rather there are external factors like our conflict with Iran that has an impact. But this is incredibly useful if you use this along with fundamental analysis, like things like RSI and your basic research. Then most of the times you're going to get the price movement right and you're going to do incredibly well. So if you want to learn about charting, take a look at this book or any other technical analysis book that you can find at a local library. Yeah, you could buy this book, but you don't really need to. Your taxes are already paying for books that you can borrow for free. So go check them out, read about it, and you're going to be a lot more knowledgeable, and sooner or later you'll be able to do your own charting without having to rely on anybody else. Again, thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys soon. And